It's impossible to capture the energy of what it's like out there in nature by doing something fast-paced, because so much of what's amazing about it is just the calm stillness of it. Also, that's what it is on the YouTube channel. It's a bit different, but
I think people are as desperate for that as they've ever been in some ways. I think things have gotten we're operating at a speed that we don't even feel comfortable in sometimes. Our brains are having to. But yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like some type of an ASMR or some. It feels calming.